I got these small sewing kits for myself and my daughters when they went away to school, and they've been great through the years. They do have a little bit of supplies, but I've realized over time I really need more in a sewing kit. This larger kit, 237 pieces, it's complete. Everything from 40 colored threads, 30 needles, spare buttons, scissors, clips. Love that extra thread. Here's a close-up of all 40 of the holiday colored threads. I feel like this covers most of the shades you're really gonna need, and you do have extras of the blacks and the whites. Love these clips to hold material in place. Sufficient number of variety of 30 needles. Love that case that holds them. Snaps to sew on, the thing that pulls the thread through. Extra needle holder. These are tweezers. You've got measuring tapes, thimbles, this to hold your straight pens. Like that it has full-size scissors, variety of thimbles. This is for your small bobbins for your sewing kit. And there's a number of different buttons, safety pens, all kinds of different push pins, even a magnifying glass. And as for the case itself, I really do like that. It's an Oxford case made of cloth. It closes and opens really well for me. It's about 10 inches by 8 inches and about 1.5 inches thick. It kind of reminds me of a little bit smaller than a sheet of paper, and zippers work well for me. I feel like I could just toss this in a bag and take it with me on the go, especially when I work on like school projects and costumes and all the places that I seem to need thread and needle these days. I'd say this is a great kit. It's a thoughtful gift for someone who loves sewing or a student going away or a crafter. I like that it has a variety of the materials. You can't toss it in a really small bag, but I feel like when you need more than just the bare essentials, this is a really friendly, easy to take on the go solution. And I think it's perfect for travel. It's definitely compact, lightweight, ready for emergencies. Love that it has 237 pieces in a small kit. I like the thread quality. I like the travel case. I feel like really versatile for a beginner and a pro. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.